you might be missing out on the next big thing in real estate. And it's not where you think. Right now, there are US cities quietly experiencing an investment boom that could bring you massive returns. You want in, don't you? Keep watching to find out where to put your money in 2025. Not all real estate markets are created equal. While some cities seem to always be on top, others are quietly gearing up for explosive growth. If you're serious about maximizing your returns in 2025, this video is for you. We're diving into the 5 hottest real estate markets in the US for next year. Cities that you might not be thinking about yet. Stick around because we're going to break down why these places are on fire and how you can cash in on the boom before it's too late. Real estate investing sounds like a solid plan, right? But if you're not picking the right market, you might as well be throwing money away. The problem is, most investors follow the crowd, sinking their money into the same popular cities everyone else is rushing to. But here's the catch. Those markets are already saturated, and the returns aren't what they used to be. So how do you find the markets that are still full of opportunity? The ones that are primed for massive growth and will give you the kind of returns that turn your investment into a fortune? That's exactly what we're going to answer in this video. Let's dive right in and talk about the 5 US cities that should be on every real estate investor's radar in 2025. Number 5. Tampa, Florida. Let's start with Tampa. This city has been growing quietly for years, and it's now one of the most attractive real estate markets in the US. Tampa has a lot going for it. From its no state income tax to the fact that it's an appealing vacation destination. What makes Tampa stand out is its affordability combined with growth. The cost of living is lower than in cities like Miami, but the demand for housing is on the rise. People are flocking to Florida for its weather, tax breaks, and job opportunities, and Tampa is benefiting from that influx. The job market is expanding, and industries like healthcare, finance, and tech are seeing growth. Plus, Tampa's appeal as a tourist destination ensures strong demand for short-term rentals, especially around the beaches. If you're looking for a city that offers both long-term investment opportunities and a steady stream of rental income, Tampa is one to consider. Number 4. Phoenix, Arizona. Next up is Phoenix. Phoenix has been a hot market for several years, and it's not showing any signs of slowing down. The city's population growth is off the charts, with people moving there from high-cost areas like California and Washington. Why? Phoenix offers lower costs and a great quality of life. Plus, it's in a state with no income tax. What makes Phoenix so appealing is its affordability compared to other major cities like Los Angeles or San Francisco. Real estate prices have been climbing steadily, but there's still room for growth. The job market is booming, with industries like tech, real estate, and manufacturing leading the charge. And with that growth comes a rising demand for housing. The rental market is also thriving in Phoenix, particularly for both traditional long-term rentals and short-term vacation properties. If you're looking for a market with a solid economy and strong demand for housing, Phoenix is one to watch in 2025. Number 3. Raleigh, North Carolina. Now let's talk about Raleigh. If you haven't already heard of Raleigh, you will soon. This city is one of the fastest growing metro areas in the United States, and for good reason. Raleigh is home to some of the best universities in the country, like North Carolina State, which creates a constant demand for student housing. But it's not just students driving growth. Raleigh has become a tech and healthcare hub, attracting a diverse workforce from across the country. The real estate market in Raleigh is still relatively affordable, especially compared to the likes of Charlotte or Atlanta. However, with the population booming, prices are steadily increasing. The city also offers a great quality of life, with excellent schools, parks, and a low crime rate, which makes it a prime destination for families and young professionals alike. For investors, Raleigh is a fantastic market with strong growth potential. The rental demand is solid, driven by the influx of people moving to the area for work and education. And with the continued expansion of the tech industry, Raleigh's real estate market is poised for sustained growth. Number 2. Austin, Texas. Moving on to Austin, you knew it was coming. Austin has been one of the hottest real estate markets for years, and it's still one of the best places to invest in 2025. Known for its tech scene and cultural vibe, Austin has become a magnet for companies and talent alike. Major tech companies like Google, Apple, and Tesla have set up shop in Austin, and the city's job market is only getting stronger. Austin is experiencing a population boom, with people flocking from high-cost cities like San Francisco and New York, in search of more affordable living options. As a result, the demand for housing is at an all-time high. Real estate prices have risen sharply, but even with that increase, Austin is still attracting investors who see the long-term potential of the market. Rental properties are in high demand, and with the city's growing tech sector, the economy is expected to remain strong. The key takeaway here is that Austin continues to be a prime investment location, especially for those looking for a combination of strong appreciation and solid rental income. And number 1, Nashville, Tennessee. And now, let's talk about the top city for real estate investing in 2025, Nashville. Nashville has consistently been one of the fastest-growing cities in the United States, and it's a market that just keeps getting hotter. The city's economy is booming, with a strong presence in healthcare, education, and entertainment. Plus, its cultural scene is attracting more young professionals and businesses each year. What really sets Nashville apart, though, is its growth potential. Property values have been steadily climbing, but unlike some of the other top markets, Nashville still offers a relatively affordable entry point for investors. That means you can get in now before the prices rise even further. Nashville is attracting people from all over the country, and the job market is expanding rapidly. With demand for both residential and rental properties on the rise, Nashville is one of the most promising cities for real estate investment in 2025. Whether you're looking for rental properties or long-term appreciation, Nashville is where you want to be. So, why should you invest in these cities? The key takeaway here is that these markets are experiencing rapid growth driven by strong demand in both housing and rental properties. The economy is growing, new companies are moving in, and the population is increasing, all critical factors for ensuring your investment grows. These cities aren't just hot right now, they're poised for even more explosive growth in the years to come. And if you act now, you can get in on the ground floor before prices rise even more. So, what's the next step? To recap, if you're looking to maximize your returns in 2025, these 5 cities are the ones you should have on your radar. Tampa, Phoenix, Raleigh, Austin, and Nashville. They're all experiencing strong growth, and their real estate markets show no signs of slowing down. By investing in these cities now, you're positioning yourself to capitalize on booming economies, growing populations, and high rental demand. And remember, it's not just about buying property, it's about buying property in the right places at the right time. Want insider real estate investing tips? Subscribe now and grab the game-changing info in the description.